I found a Berlin dog grooming salon with the worst website I've ever seen, and I'm going to redesign it with Framer, a tool that I never used before, and then I'm going to try to pitch this new redesign to the business owner. I'm Isabel, this is my living room, let's go. See, it's called City Dogs Hunde Salon. Sure. It's kind of it's interesting. Oh, it says that the site doesn't support a secure connection. So, we're going to continue. And this is the website. Like I mean, I saw worse. Wouldn't be the first one. Let's sign up. I'm going to continue with Google. Mm, yeah, so I'm unemployed since 2024, but I'm actually also a stay-at-home mom, and now that I finally got back my brain, so I don't have a mom brain anymore, I can concentrate on other stuff. And also, my kid is going to the kindergarten, so I have a couple of hours to yeah do stuff that I like. So we're going to do a new project. Hmm. I mean, the onboarding was super easy. Love that. I just signed with Google, so makes it easier. Let's do a blank project. It kind of reminds me of Figma, honestly. Like a brand new person. Let's look a little bit at this website. So, let's make a plan first of all. What do we want to include from this website? So, obviously, he has a start page. He also has a logo, which maybe we can recreate this in Procreate and then make it something nicer. Anyways, so maybe we can start with the menu. And what's happening? So if somebody wants to like make a appointment for their dog at the salon, we need to call him, or we need to write him. So let's see what happens when we want to write him. Okay, we have to write him an email at this address. But maybe we can also create like a oh, what's it called, a form where you can contact him directly. I don't know. Maybe it's too complicated to do that at first. Let's see. Okay, so welcome to the Dog Hair Salon, City Dogs Berlin. Cool. Are we going to keep these pink colors? This pink color? I don't know. Let's see what Framer can do. Oh, we can add sections. Logo, logo, logo. We can. Okay, navigation. Let's see. We're installing navigation. Okay, this is nice. This is interesting. But I don't want this. I don't want to watch a tutorial. But is this logo going to stay here or what? Okay. What was the never start? So, okay. We're going to start with the salon here because obviously the start page is the home page. So, salon. Leistungen. Über mich. So when I came to Germany in 2019, actually I had really tough time to find a job like now. And I took this course, this front end course and the UX design course because I think it made sense to also know some UX design. In the end, I was thinking if I try freelancing, I should be able to like understand colors and what's working, how pages are should supposed to look from a design point of view. Wichtige Informationen. Let's also put gallery. But what if I want to copy and paste? Oh, amazing. And contact. Yeah, and then I got a job. Then I got a job as. So I didn't get a job in front end development. But oh, delete this. Nice. But I got a job in customer service because why not? And I did like front end a little bit on the side for friends and then I found a job in cloud development, which was super interesting to do, but I think the state of the world right now doesn't really want to invest anymore in juniors. And yeah, then I got fired. And this was 2024 for me. Alrighty, so we did the menu. That's interesting. But how do I. Okay, so home is this. Amazing. But how do we do colors? I think like this. Yeah, hello. That's it for part one. My sister called, and actually, that's very on brand with how my life is right now. So, what we did today, we found this terrible website, we signed up for the first time on Framer, and we started building. In part two, I'm going to finish the redesign, and in part three, I think I'm going to try to pitch it to the owner. So, I'm really curious if he's going to like it or not. And either way, this is going to be a good video. So, see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.